Stuffed chicken breast, y'all. And it's good. It's real good, too. But anyway. Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Stelly Grills and Chills, y'all. Stelly Grills and Chills. And hey, while we here, we gonna rain on them. We gonna cook a lot of great food. So don't forget, give me that LSS, y'all. That like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. But anyway, let's get it. So what we have here, we have about a 1 pound chicken breast. Now this here chicken breast will feed me and my wife, you know. It's only us, y'all. It's only us. So we're just gonna butterfly this. Now once we get it open, hey, you know what time it is. Time to rain on them. So we gonna hit them with a little salt. Some fresh pepper. Some cayenne. Some onion powder, garlic powder. And some oregano and basil, y'all. Now once we get both sides seasoned, we're gonna go ahead and stuff them with this cheese. Now what I have here is some fresh mozzarella cheese and some white cheddar. But you can use whatever type of cheese you like. And then we're gonna go and hit it with in the inside with this bacon, y'all. As y'all know, my wife don't like chicken. So sometimes I do something special to get her to eat it, y'all. But once we get it stuffed, we just simply gonna close it up. Now I tied this chicken up, and we gonna get it into our pan, which we fried our bacon in using the bacon grease to sear our chicken, y'all. And that's all we doing here. We just getting us a good sear. Oh yeah. Look at that sear, y'all. See, that's what we're looking for right there. Right there. We want to get it on both sides too, y'all. Both sides. Now once we get that good sear on our chicken, we're going to go ahead and get them into a 350-degree oven. Now we're going to bake this until it reaches an internal temperature of 165. And hey, here go our finished result, y'all. This is our finished result. Let's go and cut into it, see what we working with. Oh yeah, that looks good, y'all. That looks good. Now hey, if you don't know how to tie your meat up, you can check out my video on tenderloin, where I did the bacon wrap tenderloin stuffed with cheese, and you'll see me show you exactly how to tie your meat up. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.